Okay. Hi everyone! Welcome to our new video. My name is Erica.
My name is Jessica.
And we're here from Amsterdam from DIY Soap. And today we're making a face scrub. We're making it together.
Yes, get ready.
We're making a really nice face scrub. It's especially nice because it's getting colder outside. And it's important to take care of your face, moisturize it a little bit, but also get rid of those dead skin cells every now and then. Don't scrub too often, like once every 4 days or once a week. The main ingredient will be oatmeal. So we just grated the oatmeal. You can do it easily yourself. And this way it's a very fine oatmeal powder. You could also use the flakes, but this is a nice one to scrub with. Oatmeal is very soothing, it cleanses the skin, and it's just a really nice ingredient. It's very soft ingredient for a face scrub, because you wouldn't want to use too harsh ingredients on your face. For example, sea salt, the course can be very sharp. It's not advisable to use that for your face, but oatmeal is a very nice one. Furthermore, we're going to add a tiny bit of brown sugar, which is a natural emollient, so it actually pulls moist to your skin. It's really nice to add as well, but it's a bit harsher for your face, so we're just going to add a tiny bit of the sugar. Optional would be to add a little bit of coffee if you'd like. Coffee improves blood circulation, so it's very nice to tighten the skin. But in this scrub we're not going to use it because it also has quite a strong coffee smell, which can be nice once a while, but for now we're not going to go with the coffee, but you could add it anyways at home. And then we're going to add a little bit of rose petals. I don't know if you have that in your kitchen. You could also use any other herb. It just looks nice. It will add a tiny bit of scrub, and yeah, it will make your scrub extra festive. We are also going to add, if you have some honey in your kitchen, just add a tiny pinch of honey. This is real honey from a local beekeeper, so if you can find any in your neighborhood, just go there and ask for some honey. It has amazing antibacterial properties, but also hydrates the skin, so it's very nice to add. And then we're going to add a pinch of curcuma. Do not add too much.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a tiny bit, but it has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's really nice to add for your face. And it's a great antioxidant.
So before starting, it's very important to disinfect our tools, and for that we use alcohol, 96% alcohol. So we spray what we are going to use. So once everything is ready, we can go ahead.
Yes. So we're going to start with the oatmeal. We're just going to add 5 tablespoons of oatmeal. We're just going to add a tiny bit of the brown sugar, just for some extra scrub, because the oatmeal makes a very soft scrub. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, perfect. And then we're going to add the rose petals. We're going to grate them a little bit, because otherwise we'll have very large leaves of rose petals in our shower. Also, they have to go through the drain, so it's nicer that they're a bit smaller. Then we're going to add a tiny bit of curcuma and a little bit of honey.
Plenty of
yeah. Just going to use this one. So we're just going to add a tiny bit. Once the oil will be in, it will be easier to mix the honey. This scrub actually also makes a really nice face mask. So you don't have to use it as a scrub every time. You could also just mix it with a little bit of water and put it on your face and let it sit on your face for 10 minutes or so, and then wash it off. So we're going to add almond oil to this scrub. You could also use any other oil. You could go for olive oil, which is super moisturizing. It's very good for dry skin. But we're going to add the almond oil, also great for dry skin, for every skin type. Actually, it's a quite mild oil, yes. We've reached the right consistency now. You can see it's a little bit of a paste. This way it's really nice because you can make it into a really nice face mask as well. If you like, if you prefer, obviously you could add more oil, then you'll have more of an oily scrub and probably a layer of oil on top. But we really like it this way. So we added a tiny bit of essential oil as well. Don't add too much essential oil, especially not for your face. but we just added 3 drops of lavender, which is a really nice oil, has antibacterial properties as well, and helps to heal the skin, so it's a nice one. And then for the smell and the combination of the smell, we added 1 drop of vanilla, because that kind of makes the lavender a tiny bit sweeter, so it's a nice combination.
And we are ready.
And we are ready to put it in our jar. Yes.
Here we are.
So Jessica's going to scrub this evening.
Yes, I will, absolutely. And here is our DIY scrub and ready to be used.
So last week we made a really nice lip scrub, this week we made a face scrub, and next week we'll be back making a really nice body scrub.
So see you next week and don't miss it.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.